Hello and good afternoon kids. Welcome back once again to this short tutorial video for class 8 students under your math subject. And since we were doing with the algebraic identities, so we'll continue from there. Okay, the algebraic identities part. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the previous video. So in the previous video we have dealt with identity 1. Okay, and those who haven't, please go through it. Okay, in this one we'll be dealing with identity number 2 and identity number 3. That is 2 was a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square as a square plus b square minus 2ab. It's an easy one. Okay, so similarly as I've already said, for identities it will be applicable for multiplication of terms. Okay, that too multiplication of binomial and a binomial. Okay. So what do we have here in question number exercise number 13b? Exercise 13b question number 1-3 is we got C 3x plus 5y whole square. Now what does square means? The same term has to be written 2 times and it will be multiplied, isn't it? So when you get terms like this, that is the same terms 2 times or the whole square of a binomial, what you can do is you can use the identity, okay, in order to get your answer sooner. Okay, you can save your time by using the identities and a sum. So okay, see here what happens here. So what was our first identity? It was a plus b whole square, isn't it? And a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here what do I have? 3x plus 5y whole square. Remember, and don't mess up with this sign. See, it has got a plus b whole square. Remember, it is a minus b whole square, though it may look same but it's different. See out here, check out here. If for a plus b whole square it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, whereas for a minus b whole square it's a square plus b square minus 2ab. Remember that. Okay, so what do I have here in first question is 3x plus 5y whole square. Now the first term in here is 3x, so in place of a we have 3x. We need to square up a, isn't it? So that is why I have written here 3x whole square a square, plus in place of b I have 5y, so b square, so 5y whole square, plus 2ab. As you know, the relation between constant and the variables is multiplication, so 2ab, so that is why I have written 2 into, in place of a I had 3x, 2 into 3x into 5y. Okay, now 3x whole square, so we know that whole square means the same thing needs to multiply 2 times, isn't it? So I need to show all the steps and all the necessary steps, isn't it? If you can skip those necessary steps, then you may save your time as well, isn't it? So 3 square means 9, that's what we know. It's a simple math, isn't it? X square, so x square, see, plus 5 square means 25, we know that, so 25, y square, see. Now what happens in multiplication of the terms? The constant terms will be multiplied, the variables will remain as it is, isn't it? So 2 3 times is 6, 6 5 times is 30, so 30xy, see. Okay, and similarly on the second term again, see, as I said, a plus b whole square, isn't it? That was our identity, isn't it? In place of a I have 1 in here, so it is 1 plus 10mn whole square. So the expansion is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So see, in place of a we have 1 in here, this question, so 1. In place of b we have got 10mn plus 2ab. Okay, so in order to use this identity, remember you have to memorize the identity. That's it. Okay, and you might have known so far that what happens when we use identity. When we use identity, we can solve our sums faster, isn't it? That is, it will be this guy. When you use the identity, you can save your time. Okay, so during examinations and all. Okay, for 1 square plus 10mn whole square, so 1 square means 1, 10 square is 100, we know that, m square, n square, see, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 times 20, so 20mn, see. Okay, the next identity was a minus b whole square. Remember, it was a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, isn't it? But no need to take the sign of b. Remember that we don't need to take the sign of b. We haven't taken the sign of b in here. Remember, it's just the term b for minus. So that is the most important part in here. See, what do I have here? 5y minus 3z whole square. In place of a we have 5y. In place of b we have 3z. So a square 5y square plus the expansion was a square plus b square minus 2ab. Remember that, plus b square. So in place of b we have 3z, so plus b 3z whole square minus 2ab. So we haven't taken the sign, see, just the term comes, okay, no need to bring the sign as well, okay. So 5y square, 5 square is 25, we know that, so 25y square plus 3z square, 3 square is 9, 9z square minus 2, 5 times 10, 10 3 times is 30, so 30 yz, okay. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, now for question number 4, in question number 4, what we have is 6a minus 11b whole square. Since it was minus with a whole square of a binomial, so we have to use the third identity, that is a minus b whole square. The expansion is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Remember that, okay. In place of a we have here 6a, in place of b we have here 11b. So a square 6a square plus b square 11b square minus 2ab. Okay, so 6 square is 36, a square plus 11 square is 121, b square minus 2, 6 times is 12, 12 into 11 is 132, so 132ab. Okay. Okay, so and sometimes we may have a question in the fractional form as well, isn't it? So what happens with the fractional form? Okay, everything remains the same. Okay, simple. See, question number 4.1, what we have is x plus 1 by x whole square. Now what do I have is, in this question is, I got the value of a as x and the value of b as 1 by x, isn't it? So simple. Again, we have got a plus. Multiplication of whole square means multiplication is a multiplication of a binomial with a plus sign in it. So the value of a in here, in place of a we have x in here, question, in place of b we have 1 by x. So simple, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So remember, that is why we need to memorize, you need to memorize the identities. Okay, so what happened here? Now x squared plus 1 by x square, 1 by x square means 1 by x into 1 by x, isn't it? 1 into 1 will be 1 in the numerator, in the denominator x into x will be x square, so 1 by x square. Here what we can do here is this x and this x, we can cancel these two terms, isn't it? It's in numerator, it's in denominators. The relation is multiplication, so we can cancel it, isn't it? And finally what's left? 2 into 1 is, as we know, is 2, so simple 2. Okay. The second question again, what we have in the second one is, see, 2y minus 1 by 2y whole square. We got multiplication of a binomial with a negative sign, isn't it? With a minus sign. So which identity to use? The third one, obviously, a minus b whole square, isn't it? In place of a we have 2y in here, in place of b I have 1 by 2y, so a square, that is 2y whole square, plus b square 1 by 2y whole square minus 2ab, so 2 into a, 2y into b is 1 by 2y, so 2 square is 4, we know, y square is y square, 4y square, plus again the same thing, the numerator 2 times 1 into 1 square means, isn't it? So 1, 2y into 2y will give you 4y square, isn't it? Again the same thing will happen here, these two terms, they can be cancelled, isn't it? Because they are same terms, so they can be cancelled. Remember, it doesn't happen every time, okay? So finally what's left? Minus 2. So finally what's left here? All the unlike terms. So we are done here, okay? So now what I want you to do for after today's videos is that I want you to do all the questions from exercise 13b up to question number 6, okay? Up to question number 6, all we need to do is just use these two identities, and I want you to do all the remaining sums, okay? For those who haven't understood any, you can let me know, okay? Okay then, till then, stay safe and stay tuned in for your next video as well, okay?